Did you know that eating peas with this can actually harm your health? Even the green superfood peas, considered the best among beans, have their perfect matches in foods that are a bad combination. Even these beneficial peas must be eaten properly to be good for your body. If you consume them with unhealthy foods, it could actually harm your health. That's why I've prepared this. For protecting your health, I'll tell you the 3 worst foods to eat with peas, and the 3 best foods to eat with peas. Hello, everyone. It's your Dr. John. Have you not subscribed yet? Please subscribe and like this video right now. Share it with your loved ones and introduce them to Dr. John. I will continue to deliver the best health information to you. Beans have been considered among the most perfect foods in human history, and today's star is the green pea, which is unparalleled in dietary fiber content among beans. Peas are sweet and tasty, and their attractive color makes them the most popular and universally liked bean. You can often find dishes like pea salad, pea soup, and pea paste or spread. Traditionally, in herbal medicine, pea porridge was prescribed for indigestion, with bloating and nausea, as well as a tonic for energy recovery. Peas are not only great as food ingredients but also as medicine. Recently, peas have gained immense popularity due to their newly discovered preventative effects against dementia. From recipes specialized in diabetes prevention and blood sugar management to the best food combinations for brain health and even the miraculous food combinations for gut health and disease prevention have been thoroughly compiled. But did you know that even such beneficial peas have some food combinations that can be harmful to your health? Now I will tell you about the 3 worst food combinations with peas, and the 3 best food combinations that can maximize the health benefits of peas. Firstly, the food that pairs the worst with peas is surprisingly brown rice or whole grain. You might be shocked, right? Many of you might be including pea brown rice in your diet as a preventative measure against diabetes. While it's good for blood sugar management, it's not so great for digestion. Compared to other beans, peas have lower protein content but higher starch content, which gives them a very sweet taste. You might think starch raises blood sugar, but unlike refined sugar, the starch in peas is absorbed very slowly by the body. This is mainly because of the dietary fiber in peas, which is renowned for being abundant among beans. This fiber helps slow down the absorption of carbohydrates consumed at the same time, preventing a rapid spike in blood sugar and instead causing a gradual increase. Focus here. The effect of peas is not just a one-time thing. This research has been featured in the international science journal, Nature, and is gaining global attention. If you look at the surface of peas, they are not smooth but slightly wrinkled, right? Exactly. The more wrinkled the pea, the higher the content of resistant starch. This type of starch isn't digested immediately in the intestines but is fermented. After fermentation, the dietary fiber in peas groups together to form short-chain fatty acids. Amazingly, this enhances the function of cells that produce insulin, which regulates blood sugar. This makes it one of the best diets for diabetes management because it enables our cells to regulate blood sugar themselves. Unfortunately, if you eat them with brown rice, you won't be able to reap all these amazing benefits, especially digestion becomes harder. And the efficiency of the resistant starch in peas drops significantly. Why is that? The key lies in the type of dietary fiber found in both peas and brown rice. There are 2 types of dietary fiber based on their solubility in water. One is insoluble fiber, which promotes bowel movement and aids in quick defecation. And the other is soluble fiber, which helps regulate cholesterol levels and insulin secretion. However, the issue is that both our stars today, peas and brown rice, contain primarily insoluble fiber. Have you ever felt bloated and uncomfortable after eating brown rice? That's not a feeling of fullness but indigestion, because they take a long time to digest in the intestines. They don't significantly raise blood sugar, and although the minerals and essential amino acids in brown rice are healthy, the problem is both contain fiber that is not digested, leading to continuous discomfort and indigestion. As we age and our digestion weakens, it's important to eat softer foods that are easier to digest. But it's crucial to consume a balanced mix of both types of dietary fibers. Therefore, rather than combining insoluble fiber-rich brown rice with peas, you should ensure to include soluble fiber in your diet as well. Then, among the many types of soluble fibers, the best match for peas are seaweeds like kelp. I previously mentioned that peas contain insoluble fiber, but they still have the ability to prevent a rise in blood sugar. What happens if you consume peas, which are great for diabetes prevention with soluble fiber? It increases the absorption rate of various nutrients and slows down the movement from the stomach to the duodenum. Moreover, during this process, it even helps to remove clumps of fat and cholesterol debris from the blood vessels. The reason why peas and seaweed make the best combination is that they perfectly complement each other's drawbacks. Recently, it has been revealed that although beans are healthy, eating too much can cause side effects due to plant toxins and excessively high saponin content in beans. Saponins can have anti-disease effects when consumed in the right amount, but too much can expel iodine from the body. Therefore, consuming them with iodine perfectly replenishes the body's mineral content. And this is where seaweeds like nori, wakame, and kelp come into play. You might be aware that eating too much seaweed can be bad for the thyroid, but you don't have to worry when eating it with peas. Amazingly, peas help maintain the perfect balance of iodine in the body. And conversely, seaweeds regulate the proper amount of saponins from beans. This is truly the miracle of food compatibility. So, in the future, try wrapping pea rice in nori, or eat it with seaweed soup. And another tip: when cooking pea rice, add a piece of dried kelp to make a truly perfect tonic meal. Secondly, the worst food combination with peas is sugar. When you think of peas, don't you first imagine the lovely green-colored sweet paste or spread? While it tastes good, the combination of peas and sugar is really not beneficial. Everyone knows that sugar is not good for health, right? Refined white sugar spikes your blood sugar and increases insulin resistance, leading to chronic inflammation, disease, and brain damages. But why, specifically, should you not consume peas with sugar? The reason lies in saponins, the health secret of peas that I mentioned earlier. Wait, aren't saponins found in ginseng? You might be wondering. Correct. The miraculous anti-disease component saponin found in red ginseng and ginseng is also present in peas. Saponins in peas inhibit the proliferation of health-harming cells and completely eliminate reactive oxygen species that cause inflammation. But here's the critical point. When you consume these health-beneficial peas with sugar, the sugar destroys all the saponin components. So, no matter how much you eat peas for health, it's futile if consumed with sugar. Instead of eating sweet pea paste loaded with sugar, it's better to enjoy the natural sweetness of the peas themselves. Also, saponins are especially abundant in the skin of peas. So make sure to chew the skin thoroughly to get the full benefit. Then, the best food to pair with peas is eggs. I've mentioned the global attention peas have been receiving for their dementia-preventing effects. And this combination is the secret behind it. Peas contain not only excellent bean protein but also a component called lecithin, which prevents the aging of the brain and the formation of memory-impairing lipid peroxides. Thus, it removes the very cause of brain damage. Interestingly, peas also contain omega-3 fatty acids in the form of alpha-linolenic acid ALA, which is directly absorbed by the brain, enhancing memory and concentration, making it a top food for brain health. Moreover, peas contain the miraculous choline. Wait, have you heard of choline before? Our smart subscribers might recognize it. Yes! The brain health vitamin found in egg yolks. Choline is also abundant in peas. Choline helps in the production of lecithin, which composes cell membranes and eliminates substances that cause dementia. Additionally, it aids in repairing nerve damage in the brain. Unfortunately, only a small amount of choline is synthesized in the body, so it is crucial to consume it through food. Do you need to take supplements? No, simply eat peas with eggs. Furthermore, peas are rich in vitamin B1, which maximizes the brain health benefits of choline, enhancing its effects even further. So, in the future, it's a great idea to pair pea rice with an egg roll, fried egg, or even egg soup. Or you could make an omelette with peas. It's really beneficial. Thirdly, the worst match for peas is for people with weak kidneys or gout. Aren't you surprised? You might know that peas can lower blood pressure and regulate blood sugar, which are beneficial for kidney health. Yes, it's true. The kidneys filter blood and eliminate unnecessary waste from the body, acting as our body's filtration system. Peas help expel waste and sodium from our bodies and cleanse the blood vessels, ultimately enhancing kidney function. Studies have shown that protein extracted from peas can lower blood pressure by 20% and improve kidney function by up to 30%. Peas are rich in antioxidants known as carotenes, which prevent cellular aging and strengthen cell membranes. Thus, they help rejuvenate our weakened and aged organ cells, making them robust and resilient. However, for those with already weak kidneys, especially those with gout, it's a different story. Peas have one major drawback. They contain purines, which are particularly dangerous for people with gout. Moreover, raw peas contain a plant toxin known as cyanogenic glycosides. Excessive consumption can lead to intestinal gas, abdominal pain, digestive disorders, and excessive stimulation of the kidneys. Wait, then should you always worry when eating peas? No. If you cook peas, you can eat them without worrying about cyanide and purines. Also, people with gout can still enjoy the health benefits of peas safely if they keep their consumption to about 40 grams per day, which is roughly the amount in one paper cup. Please remember this. Lastly, the best food to pair with peas is milk. You can blend peas and milk to make pea milk or enjoy them together in a soup. As you age, you've probably heard how important it is to get enough protein. Today's key point in the video. The combination of peas and milk is truly a miraculous way to consume protein daily. With the weather warming up, some of you may feel sluggish and experience numbness in your limbs. Are you worried about muscle loss as you age? Are concerned about bone fractures due to osteoporosis? Peas and milk are the best solution. Though peas have a lower protein content among beans, they are exceptionally rich in essential amino acids. They are also loaded with vitamins A, B, C, calcium, and iron, making peas a superb all-in-one supplement. As previously introduced, vitamin B1 in peas invigorates brain activity. And vitamin B5 is excellent for boosting immunity. Vitamin C in peas provides antioxidant effects. And vitamin A helps clear up blurry eyes. Aren't you amazed by the potent health benefits of these small, round peas? Looking closely at the protein in peas, the composition of amino acids is quite fascinating, especially lysine. Lysine enhances the absorption of calcium in the foods you eat with it. That's why you should consume peas with milk. Though milk is a complete food rich in calcium, its absorption rate can be low. However, when consumed with peas, the calcium in milk is absorbed efficiently into your body. Peas also perfectly complement the vitamins that milk lacks, creating an optimal diet. Therefore, pairing milk and peas together ensures a robust intake of calcium, eliminating worries about osteoporosis and filling your muscles with top-quality protein. This combination also addresses inflammation in the blood vessels, making it an excellent food pairing for arthritis and neuralgia. So far, we've explored the 3 worst and the 3 best food combinations with peas. Let's summarize them one last time. First, instead of pairing peas with brown rice, it's better to eat them with seaweeds like nori, wakame, and kelp. Instead of consuming peas in sugar-filled pastes, it's healthier to pair them with eggs. For those with weak kidneys or gout, please be cautious and consider pairing peas with milk. This tiny but mighty green superfood, peas, when prepared well with the right complementary foods, can significantly benefit your health. Thank you so much for spending time with me. If you found today's video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe and like. Also, please share it with your cherished family and friends. I'll always pray for your health and happiness. This has been Dr. John. Thank you.